Mabuhay! This is Hot Talk!
Aralan, aming kanlungan, hatid sa inyo'y galak at kaunawaan.
Welcome to Hot Talk, where we explore the stories and experiences of individuals in our community. I'm Ayesami Sultan Manao,
And I'm Kate Dayan Camagos,
your host in this episode.
So, good morning, sir. So, before na mag-start, sir, i-ask mo kung kamusta ba yung mga life karon as a parent?
Okay lang, dari maghapon tambay sa eskwelahan, di bantay sa akong anak.
So, nanagin na siya, sir, no? Basta na anak, medyo na ka-eskwelahan.
So, pwede ka ba magpaila-ila sir kaya para makaila ka sa among mga viewer?
Ako ay si Junar Pusing, taga Sinawingan, Libungan.
So, nakay anak diri tayo nga naka-eskwela sa Southern Christian College. Ang sana siya tayo? Elementary, high school, or college?
Ako'y estudyante, balik kambal man ko niya akong anak, babae, lalaki. Naa siya karon sa elementary, grade 5.
So, classmate na po sila duha tayo.
Opo, classmate lang. Isa naman ang section sa grade 5.
So, kay kambal man sila, okay ra po sila dalawa na. Wala man po din yung nag-aaway sila.
Okay naman po about sa ilahang pag-study. Wala man ingon nga kanang nagapa-kuhan sila sa ilahang grado. Kaya nga ako ang bugoy, ang laki na ako, okay na bahalag doon sa iyang kuhan. Ang ako ang kuhan, ang babae na ako, naman siya sa pang-tatlo karon top 3 siya. So, except sa ang akong bugoy, isi lang na siya kung unsa man ang iyahang kuhan. Basta enjoy lang sa iyahang pag-eskwela. Mao lang na, iyahang kuhan.
So, the best na kung na-ay supported nga parents, pwede ay no?
Oh, the best dyan siya kay mas kuan man good nga kanang makita nimo para sa ako layo ko. So dire jud ko gatambay once na naa sa eskwela kay isa pod ang transportation mahal kaayong pumasahe ko uli-uli.
Para safe po sila.
Oh, para safe pod sila niyan.
So, nganong napili man nimo ang SCC nga diri sila kay eskwelahon?
Actually, ang ilahan mong good mama is kuan diri sa ICC. Very good siya graduate high school. Then, nakita ko na mo nga jud kaayo ang kuan diri about sa learning education sa mga bata, about sa academic. Okay din siya. Okay din ang ICC.
The best yun ang Southern kay. Dili ganit mi ang mga naman mapilian.
So, unsa man ang naitabang sa ano tayo sa inyo sa Southern sa inyo about sa mga activities, sa mga sa imong anak tayo, unsa man ang natabang sa Southern?
Dako siya katabang kay diri man sila na nag-start o mabuo sila sa ilahang pag-study. Kita ko na ako na responsable sila. Kanang nairespeto sa mga kapwa nila, mga students, mga teacher. So, maayo din ang paghubog sa ilaha as dari sa Southern Christian College. So, sa amo ako, sa ginikanan.
O ginatawa ang Southern sa ilahan.
Dapat dyan. Kaya di ba, dari man dyan sila na-develop. Pag-start nila kinder 1, dari na dyan sila.
Dili gid sila nagsugod.
The best gid ang SCC dito.
So sa overall sir, unsa man imong maingon sa SCC?
Overall, para sa ako, the best dyan siya. For me, number 1 ang ECC. Then, sa ECC, mas nindot man dyan siya kay focus dyan sa academic. Daily lang dyan sa iyong napan. Pero pag abot sa activities, daghan tag activities, pero okay lang siya kaayo. Sa mga sports, naapot sa sports, depende ra pud na sa bata kung sa ang kuan nila. Pero sa ato, kuan mong good, more on academic, okay kayo.
Damo gid sila matunan kay focus mo sa education ba.
So, ma-recommend ba nimo ang SCC sir sa uban?
Yes, 100%.
Yes,
Siyempre kay makita man pud nako nga sa akong anak nga gihubog diri sa ICC unsa pay ako nakita diri. So maka-recommend gid ko all sa mga ilahang pinsan sa akong mag-anak o sa akong mga friends. Makaingon lang gid mi nga. Nindot jud ang ICC. safety, pag-abot sa kuan.
Labi na sa pag-sa education, focus gid sila. Maingon mo gid nga dapat dirigid di ka sa SSC.
Dili jud mo behind. Pag-abot sa mga competition na jud isisi mo labaw jud.
So, thank you kayo sa time, sir. Sorry po sa pag-disturb po sa
Okay lang na, wala problema.
So, good morning sa inyo mga karon, no? So, kamusta man inyong pag-eskwela karon? Unsa man ang ganap sa inyong life karon as a student? Ikaw siya, yun sa iyong mga paan karon sa pag-iwan.
Kasi ano pa dito, baka naman kami sa mga tao. So, basta tapos yung umbrella pa, tinusugdan na to, inisawit na to, i-survive.
Paningkamot na ta, makakalian, buhon makahuman.
So, as nga gipili man inyo ang
Southern Christian College,
o unsa or kinsa naka-influence inyo nga nang diri mag-eskwela sa Southern?
Ang mahingon ako sa Pirino nga, nag-province ko nga sila dito sa Southern, kay tungod ko sa kong magulang, naana siya nga, hindi dito sa Southern.
Same dahil taag ko ang pag-ibang idea nga nang diri mag-eskwela.
How about sa ito siya? So, for me, ka-influence sa akin is, ang mga may relatives kayo sila nila nito daw sa Southern. So, to, nag-inner ko and then na-discover na, kinuulit siya kahit they provide, quality education.
Tama, grabe jud ka standard ang Southern.
So, sa karoon, saan yung ma-experience dali sa SSC? Na-experience ninyo? Ikaw, Jubel, saan yung ma-experience dali? As a first year student.
Pinabog sa college lang ba, kay na, walang relax ng God. At ikaw mo din kayo, lisod ba? Sabi na kayo, kung ipiling ng course na, SF, mo yun ba, mali siya? Accounting ba? Talaga.
So, ikaw, Tishay, saan yung ma-experience dali?
So, talaga na good experience din na like, nakamit ko mga friends na classmates ng unang tanong pa ako mga ACADS. So, first is, syempre, una na ko interest sa mga pastor na for sure, kay nasa kong mind, what if ako ra ang dinibutukan, pero still, ano man sila, tabanganay man, hindi man kong tupit ang mga classmates.
So, sa mga activities and events diri sa sa Southern Christian College, unsa man pud imo ang maingon or unsa imong mga experience?
So, based on experience. So, enjoyable, maka-enjoy kita ang mga events sa Southern. Tapos, kada events, may mga learn ka mga lessons. Tapos, maka-met ng mga new friends.
How about sa imong friends sa imong maingon sa mga events, sa mga activities?
Maingon ako sa activities dito sa school. Na-enhance ko ang mga skills ko. Sa kuwang
So, ma-recommend ba ninyo ang Southern Christian College sa uban?
Yan naman, sa unsa nga pa maaari.
tungkol ko sa akong experience.
Bali, gina-base pa nimo sa imong experience, anong maano pa ni ma-recommend mo sila. So, ikaw, Shai, unsa man imo ma-recommend sa ila?
So, sa rest is yeah, based on experience. So, ma-recommend ako ang specific is because, diba, naka-experience mo kung good experience, like, ang mga, nandun mga tao sa mga friendly, mga butan. So, I want them po nga, na-experience ko nila ang na-experience na ko din sa ICC.
So, regarding na sa news environment dali sa SSC, no, sa mga kakustolong ninyo, unsa yung maingon? Kailangan.
So, for me, ako lang okay naman, more friendly man sila.
Sa mga staff or sa mga faculty.
So, sa mga staff, okay lang po kayo. If ever may question ka, mag-response mo sila dahil. So, sa mga instructor, okay lang po.
Ikaw, Jovan, sa pagkakas.
Okay ra po siya. Kasi, sabi nagmutana ka sila. Mga
Observation nila sa inyo.
So, what do you think about SCC? So, kung madunggan niyo ang SCC, unsa man dayon ang mukhang up sa inyo ang naman?
So, kung dito malunggan ako ang SSC So, ang pag-isip na ko is, ano siya, high standard siya compare sa ibang school. Tapos, ano siya, ang yan ina-provide is quality education. Kaya, syempre, hindi man makapasar or hindi daw makapasar sa SSC kung hindi quality education ang ina-provide.
So, ikaw, sir, unsang pinag-out natin? Ito na yun ang pang-up sa imong note na ito nakadukog of Southern Christian College.
Na-apply din ang mission sa pinagin sa Armed Forces.
Gani mo kami gani food, mag 2 years sa food mi diri nga nag-eskwela. So, mabutangin na mo sa mong isip or maingon jud na mo nga the best gid ang Southern Christian College. So, ikaw, ate, unsa man po ang imong maingon sa Southern Christian College?
So, may ano po sa Southern kay Tindot siya, tapos syempre ma-apply po din mo itong mga course for values, ano siya, then panindigan na po nga SSL leads kami.
We are thrilled to bring you this episode featuring our esteemed school president, Dr. Edwin T. Balaki, who has been leading our school with dedication, passion, and innovation. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
So, sir, mga musta po, danay ko? Kamusta po?
Maayo naman.
So, sir, with this hot weather we are experiencing right now, what kinds of activities or hobby do you do para maibsan po ang nararamdaman inyo?
I think there's a circular that we put out already, not only in behalf of the school but also in behalf of the municipality of Mensaya. You know, this is a natural phenomenon that it's beyond our control and it is experienced worldwide. So the moment the temperature exceeds 35 degrees, then it's really beyond the capacity of man. Now we are experiencing an average of 41 degrees centigrade. So because of that, we instituted what we call a measure in behalf of our students that we will only have a half-day class. And so this pertains to the SBE department. For the tertiary education, it will be by online or asynchronous classes. But to people with aircon classrooms, is their option. Kasi even the elementary, pina-aircon natin ang elementary. But still, according to the parents, paano yung paghatid namin? Initan gyapon sila. So, we decided na, sige, half day na lang tanan. And then the rest, then they will learn at home. That's how we adopted measures as a remedy for this, what we call the effect of climate change. Sa totoo lang, never in my life that I experienced this temperature. Ngayon lang at taon, 2024. So that's how we did it.
Regarding for your president's po, in what year did you start being the president of Southern Christian College po?
I started in June 2012. And then the term of a president is 5 years. So I was reappointed. And now I was reappointed for the third time. So from 2012, my term will end 2027. And that will even extend 6 months after 27 because of the school year. So 15 years.
15 years. Medyo tagal na po.
So, from that year up to now, sir, what are your experiences regarding sa parents and students?
Parents and students.
Apo.
You know, when I came here, the average student population is 1,600. 2012. A year later, we doubled that population. And a year later, almost tripled na. Kaya umabot tayo ng 5,000. From 1,600 to 5,000. Now, what affected the decline in enrollment sa Southern Christian College? Number one, because of the Unifast Law. Under the Duterte administration, there's that Unifast Law to give free tertiary education. The problem is only to public schools. Wala sa private. Because of this, there's a decrease in enrollment. Second, the government is putting up LGU schools that affected us so much. And the third is the pandemic. So these three are the main reasons na nag-decline tayo. And only the rich. But we would like to serve all. But because of these limitations, only those who can afford. Kaya, I guarantee you, the CC is the best school in town. And we are now training all the students to operate by PowerPoint. So far, in terms of discipline and attitude of parents, wala man ako na-encounter na problem. In fact, there is what we call a complementary attitude between parents and faculty and the students. So we are doing our best to provide the best education to everyone. To students who would like to be the best, stay. And thank you for staying. Or you will also move out.
No.
Mag-stay mi, sir.
Yeah? If you would like to have a future, be with us.
So, what about naman po sa faculty and staff of SCC?
You know, when I arrived here, there is factionalism. Eh, away-away. May para kay kanya, para kay kanya. Bingkil-bingkil. May barkada, may dili barkada. So sabi ko, I cannot be your president if this is the atmosphere. You change your name. What's the name of this school? Southern Christian College. Now, if you do not reform, you will still be like this. You change the name of your school, Southern Devil College. Yeah, that's what I told them. You better change. Because we are now under the spirit of the law. That's Galatians 5:22. Oh, what's the fruit of the Spirit? Love, peace, joy, long-suffering, faithfulness, kindness. There are 9. So sabi ko, under this leadership, we do our ministries out of love, out of peace, out of joy, out of kindness. Hindi yung mag-away-away tayo. Life is short. Let's enjoy life instead of quarreling, bingkil-bingkil. So nagbago sila. There is now unity. Hindi na yung factionalism. Kausaray ito.
Sir, can you share with us some of the significant experiences you've had as the president of the SCC po?
I think it's all significant, huh? I have shared you already that the school is bankrupt when I arrived. So, you know, I'm a PhD in agriculture. I went to the projects, I got the data, it's all losing. Losing. And your tuition fee is not enough to pay the salaries. That's why before I came, the board decided to close this school. Because wala pang sweldo. projects are losing. So pagdating ko, sabi ko, it is an embarrassment in my part if I will not turn the scenario from negative to positive. There are many things because I would like students to have the 5 senses before they graduate. You see, you hear, you taste. Yeah? You touch.
So, as our president po, sir, what are the most challenging experiences you encountered at the SCC?
To save the school. That's the most challenging. When I arrived, may utang ng eskwelahan nga 32 million. Apart from the fact na they don't even know kung makasweldo ang faculty. They no money. That's the heaviest challenge nung nagsimula ako. Mag-retire ang faculty mo, staff mo, wala ibigay nga pera. So, punta ka na lang dito ng 15 and 30 of the month. Parang nagsusildo niya ako. That was the challenge. In other words, before I came, no money. Now, kahit mag-retire ang 10, I can pay them in full. Mag-retire kayo lahat? Bigay ko lahat. That's very challenging, but we did it. We are happy we are able to overcome all these opportunities.
So, sir, kung may challenging experiences na may abot sa biggest achievements. So, ano po ang biggest achievements ng Southern Christian College?
In summary, we are now stable. We are now I think it's not fair to say comparable. We are better than all the schools around. Sa totoo lang.
In what way, sir, have you seen Southern Christian College grow and evolve under your leadership po?
You know, in just 3 years, the school from a bankrupt school to a stable school. Then from there on up to now. That's how we evolve. Student population, kung wala lang itong beyond our control, we should be 6,000 now. And my dream, in my 10 years, stay is this is supposed to be a university now. But because of these 3 factors I mentioned earlier, which is beyond our control, hindi natupad.
How do you see the future of Southern Christian College and what plans do you have to further its mission and vision?
If this scenario in the national level will continue, private schools will die. You know how many private schools that has closed already? There are 40 private schools. Why? You know, Article 14 of the Philippine Constitution, what does it say? That the state is responsible in the education of the youth. What is happening? They only support the public school students. And they are competing sa private schools. But they didn't know that 40% of the population are enrolled in the private schools. Now they would like to kill the private schools by instituting so many. Look at that, is constructing schools all over the municipio. Wala na. the chance of private schools to survive is very dim. One by one, they are closing. So, anong ginagawa ko? So that people will come and enroll here. We provide the best educational facilities. Imagine in your public schools, the salary of the faculty comes from the taxes that we pay. How about the private schools? It is coming from your tuition fees. So we are surviving by our own sweat. So the future, to answer your question, the future of private schools is dim with the prevailing scenario. Ganyan ang katotohanan. Upang maintindihan ninyo ang scenario.
Next is, how do you handle criticism or opposition, especially when it comes to decisions that align with the college's Christian values but may not be popular?
You know, ganito yan. We are not born equal. You are different, you are different, you are different. All of you are different. In governing people, you cannot satisfy everyone. Because yung tatlo will agree, dito does not. So yung dalawa that doesn't agree will criticize you. Ako, I appreciate positive criticism. And I love them. I like people who will say things or will contradict my decision. I like them. Yeah, I told them, I will call my people, mag-meeting kami. This is the plan. The table is now open for reaction to the plan. And then everybody is. I don't like that people that I govern. I would like somebody to, sir, itong number 2 mo, ayaw ko. Bakit? Kasi ganito. So, makinig ako. Pag nakita ko nga maganda, sabi ko, hallelujah. Okay. I will change my recommendation to this recommendation. Ganyan ang leader. Don't expect nga ang people mo puro yes man. That is not a good leadership. Hindi pa mag-criticize sa'yo, you hate them. No. Appreciate them. The more you criticize me, the more I like it, and the more I'm strong. Accept criticism. Evaluate criticism. If they are true, adapt it.
Lastly po, in your own way po, how will you encourage the student to enroll in Southern Christian College po?
Simple. Excellence. I would like to make this school the school of excellence and the school of choice. The encouragement that I give them is, you have a future if you enroll in this school. Tell them that this school is a school for your future. If you like to have a good future, then enroll to Southern. Well, that's my encouragement. Enroll to a school of excellence. A school of choice and a school for your future. Tanungin ko, nandito ako. Tama?
Tama.
So na-enlighten pa kayo?
Yes, sir.
My advice to you is go and spread the good news. Diba? That's biblical, ha? Anong sabi ni Jesus Christ? Upon ascension to heaven, he anointed everybody. Anong sinabi? Go to all nations and make disciples. Yeah? So that's your role. You make disciples after this fellowship. Tell the truth.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Na panindigan na po nga SSL Lives kami.
At sa academic, okay din siya.
Sabi student Southern Hood. Dili ganit niya mga ganyan mapilian.
The more I like it, and the more I'm strong.
Okay, if ever may question ka, mag-response sa dayon.
My advice to you is go and spread the good news. Would you like to have a good future? Then, of course, then enroll to Southern Christian College. Ah?
What are you waiting for? Enroll now at Southern Christian College.